Hey guys, it's the plant doctor here. I'm in the greenhouse at Sneed State where I teach. We don't have a whole lot going on in here right now. It's December the 2nd. We're wrapping up the fall semester. Come January, we'll start packing the greenhouse out. It'll be full of color. But right now, there's just not a whole lot going on. But I want to turn the camera around and point some things out to you. That if you're growing things in like a small backyard greenhouse that you might see, and give you some methods on how to treat this particular issue. So let's turn the camera around and take a look. All right, so I was in here with some students earlier, and you can see we're just cleaning up. We've been in here just getting a few things up. We've got some cuttings over here going for spring, coleus and butterfly bush and verbena and salvia and Mexican heather, just some perennials started, some stellas. But here's what I want to show you. I've noticed this. This is some older stuff we're getting rid of. I just had the students put it in the wheelbarrow. I'm gonna see if I can get in close. Do you see those little bugs flying around? Those are fungus gnats. So if you're growing things indoors this time of year, you know, like in a greenhouse, or you've got a south facing back porch that faces the sun, you may see some of these in and around your potting media. In particular, if you're using something that has a lot of peat moss in it, like this is Pro Mix. It's great stuff, but it has a lot of peat, it has a lot of organic matter in it, and these fungus gnats, there went one right there, they will lay their eggs in it. Okay, this is where they reproduce. Not the end of the world for plants. They're not going to do a ton of damage to your stuff, but I'm going to show you what we're doing here in the greenhouse, and this could be used in an organic practice as well for how to control. So fungus gnats are attracted to the color yellow. So this is, I've got 2 irrigation zones coming off of the rafters here. So I've got one for hanging baskets. This is a drip emitter. We'll have some ferns that hang up here in the spring. And then I have these spray nozzles going across the bottom here that mist all the stuff down below. So what I've done, these are sticky traps. I'm not going to touch it because my finger will stick to it. But fungus gnats are attracted to the color yellow. So it's Thursday afternoon here. I fully expect by Monday morning, I'll come in here Monday morning and check on things first thing Monday. And I expect these will be filled with those fungus gnats. For whatever reason, they like yellow. And you can see I've got them all up and down through here. Wherever I've got plants, I've got them spread all the way across. And this can, like I said, this is a non-poisonous method. It's just like sticky glue. I put one in the wheelbarrow here too. It's just like they fly onto it and then they can't fly off. So there's no chemicals involved. It's just glue, sticky glue on a sheet of yellow like cardboard paper, and that's all it is. And you can pick this up from any online retailer, garden center. This particular stuff came from Park Seed. Let's see if I can get it out here. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so it's just yellow strips, and then on the back it's white. So only one side's sticky. So this is sticky. So I'll peel that back and then adhere it to whatever I want to stick it to. Word of caution using these, okay? Try to get them above where your irrigation's coming. So I put these out a couple weeks ago and I stuck them in the pots, and water, as the irrigation came on, got on these, and after like a week they weren't sticky. So what I'm doing now, I've got the sticky pads above the irrigation, and I'm thinking that will solve our fungus gnats problems here in the greenhouse. Guys, thanks for watching The Plant Doctor. I hope this very short edition on fungus gnats helps you if you're having issues with this in your backyard greenhouse or on your south-facing porches. You're seeing these little gnats fly around. This is a good way to solve it. Until next time, this is The Plant Doctor.